Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a new update on Roblox that allows you to easily see who you're following on PC. If you've been curious about your friends or other players you've connected with, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. First, let's start by opening Roblox. Make sure you log into your account to access all the features seamlessly. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page. There, you'll see your username displayed prominently. Click on it. This action will take you to your profile page where you can view all sorts of information about your account, including your friends, recent activity, and more. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to scroll down a bit. Keep an eye out for the Following section. This part of your profile shows all the players you are currently following. Click on the Following button, and voila! You'll see a complete list of all the users you've chosen to follow on Roblox. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can easily view who you follow on Roblox using your PC. This new update makes it quick and easy to keep track of your friends and other players you're interested in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and leave a comment letting us know your favorite part about the game. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.